help prevent dirt and debris from entering the valve train for optimal performance. Made of high-temperature resistant material for durability. Contains necessary parts to replace your vehicle's intake manifold gasket set. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. ACDelco GM original equipment engine intake manifold gasket sets include the necessary parts to replace your vehicle's engine intake manifold gasket. The engine intake manifold gasket seals the intake manifold to the cylinder head intake ports. It helps prevent the loss of fuel-air mixture from the intake manifold and helps prevent dirt, debris from entering into the engine and intake ports. These engine intake manifold gasket sets feature high-grade rubber gaskets and are GM-recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. These original equipment kits have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. 2003 Suburban Z71. Fixed my idling issue. When I would start my car in the morning, the RPMs would fluctuate and misfire. Installing this new gasket made it run like new again. Would purchase again.